Samsung finally started taking foldable cameras seriously this year, and honestly, it's about time. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 showed us that Samsung can bring proper flagship camera hardware to a foldable without compromising the design. And now, if the latest leaks are anything to go by, Samsung isn't slowing down at all. In fact, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could be the foldable where Samsung really blurs the line between a Galaxy S Ultra and a folding phone. Now, we're still quite a while away from the Galaxy Z Fold 8 actually launching. Samsung hasn't said a word officially, and based on their usual timeline, we're probably looking at mid to late next year at the earliest. But interestingly, leaks are already starting to paint a clearer picture. And this time, the spotlight is firmly on the cameras. A new leak that just surfaced dives straight into the camera hardware of the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and even hints at another upcoming Samsung foldable internally known as H8. And according to information shared by Galaxy Club, Samsung's next premium foldable is set to borrow even more DNA from its Galaxy S lineup. Let's start with what's staying the same. The Fold 8 is expected to keep the massive 200-megapixel main camera that debuted on the Fold 7, along with the same 10-megapixel selfie cameras. And if you were hoping the under-display camera would make a comeback, yeah, that doesn't seem to be happening. Where things get interesting is with the secondary cameras. The telephoto lens is reportedly getting a bump to 12 megapixels while keeping the same 3x optical zoom. That might not sound dramatic, but this could be the exact same telephoto sensor we'll see on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which already tells you Samsung is treating this foldable very differently. Then there's the ultra-wide camera, and this one's a big jump. The Fold 8 is rumored to move from a 12-megapixel ultra-wide to a 50-megapixel sensor. That's not a minor tweak. That's a full-on flagship upgrade. If this turns out to be true, the Fold 8 could finally stop feeling like it's making camera compromises just because it folds in half. Of course, it's worth keeping expectations in check. These leaks come from a reliable source, but we're still early in the cycle, and Samsung has plenty of time to change things up before launch. With a possible reveal as far out as July 2026, nothing is locked in just yet. What's also fascinating is how this might affect Samsung's other foldables. The original Galaxy Z TriFold currently uses the same camera setup as the Fold 7, and it's been selling surprisingly well. If Samsung decides to make a TriFold sequel, it wouldn't be shocking to see it share a similar camera upgrade path with the Fold 8. And cameras aren't the only area where the Fold 8 could improve. Earlier leaks suggest a larger battery than the Fold 7's 4,400 mAh cell, the return of S Pen support, and internal design changes that could finally push charging speeds up to 45 watts. If even half of that happens, this could easily be Samsung's most complete foldable yet. That said, we're still a long way from launch. If you want a premium foldable right now, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is still a very solid option, especially with current discounts and availability being much better than the TriFold in most regions. But the real question is this: if Samsung actually delivers Galaxy S Ultra-level cameras in a foldable form factor, is that enough to make you upgrade? Let me know what you think down in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.